Okay, let's see if it works this time. So from earlier, we already have known that, not talking to you, okay, so, where were we? So, you know that x plus 2.7 equals 0, that's one of the x-intercepts. And we know that the other x-intercept is at x minus 8.7. Okay, so now, to get what the x value will equal, we simply redo the operation so that we subtract the 2.7 from both sides, and we'll get x equals negative 2.7, and it's the same thing for this one, except we add 8.7, and so it's x equals 8.7. Now in equation, we would write x plus 8.7 and x minus 2.7. But there's a problem with that. So the thing is, you can't just write it with those decimals. You have to write it in fraction form, and the closest fraction that there is, just making sure that's already on there, and so the closest fraction that there is at 10x plus 8.7 and 10x minus 2.7. Now just to make sure you understand where I'm getting that from, if you enter it into the calculator, 8.7, the fraction that is 8.7 that is shown in the calculator is 87 tenths, which means I wrote it wrong actually over here. It's not 8.7 and 2.7, it's 87 and 27. And so 8.7 equals 87 tenths, and negative 27 tenths equals negative 2.7. And so when going that over, you have 10x plus 87 equals, subtract 87